Welcome to the Arc Home Designer channel, where we explore the fascinating world of interior and exterior design, bringing inspiring ideas to transform your home. Small gardens often feel limiting, but with the right stone art ideas, you can create a stunning retreat filled with texture, beauty, and charm. From smart layouts to decorative details, every inch of your space can shine with personality and function. Now, let's explore the best DIY stone art inspirations that will transform your small garden into something extraordinary. Designing with stone pathways. Use narrow stepping stones or curved stone trails to lead the eye through your garden, making even a small space feel longer and more inviting. This creates a sense of flow and purpose in your layout. Choose stones of different shapes and sizes to create a more natural and artistic look. Mixing textures gives your pathways character while making them a focal point in your garden. Add small plants or moss between the stones to soften the look and bring life to your path. This detail makes your pathway feel like it belongs to a hidden, magical corner of nature. Building vertical stone features. Stack flat stones to create a miniature wall that doubles as both decor and a subtle divider for your garden. This maximizes space while adding depth and height to your design. Use vertical stone slabs as a backdrop for flower beds or as a standing art piece. Their height draws attention upward, making your garden appear larger than it is. Incorporate climbing plants or cascading greenery around your vertical stones. This creates a natural blend between plants and stone, adding elegance and movement to your outdoor space. Creating stone planters and borders. Build DIY stone planters using small stacked rocks to hold flowers or herbs. They add rustic charm and keep your plants neatly organized within a defined area. Outline your garden beds with smooth river stones or rugged rock borders. This makes each section feel intentional and prevents plants from spreading uncontrollably. Mix different stone tones and textures for your borders and planters. The contrast highlights your greenery and flowers, turning them into eye-catching accents. Adding a stone water feature. Create a mini cascading fountain using layered stones and a hidden pump. The sound of flowing water adds calmness while transforming your garden into a tranquil escape. Design a small pond framed with flat stones and filled with water plants. This feature attracts birds and butterflies, adding life and magic to your garden. Upcycle an old ceramic pot or metal bowl with stones to make a unique DIY water feature. This gives your garden a personal touch and blends art with function. Decorating with stone art details. Arrange pebbles in creative patterns like spirals, mandalas, or waves to create a decorative floor section. These designs bring artistry and uniqueness to your garden. Paint or engrave stones with inspirational words or symbols. Scattering them among plants adds a personal, emotional touch that makes your garden feel alive with meaning. Use stacked stones or balanced rock towers as sculptures. These simple yet striking details create a focal point and invite curiosity, making your garden unforgettable. Thank you for joining us on this journey of transforming small gardens with genius DIY stone art ideas. Remember, even the tiniest spaces can become extraordinary when you add creativity, passion, and a personal touch. Don't just let your garden be ordinary. Turn it into a masterpiece that reflects your style and inspires everyone who sees it. But wait, your transformation doesn't stop here. Discover charming entryway ideas, small front yard with arches and stylish wooden gates, and see how to create an unforgettable first impression for your home. Click now and let's continue this creative journey together.